Just look at the Billy Grahams that's in the land today. But you know, Billy Graham could never take your place. I couldn't take Billy's place. He couldn't take mine. I can't take yours. You can't take mine. You're an individual in God. God made you the way you are for some purpose. Yes. If we would just find our place and then abide there, if we try to do something different, then see we're in somebody else's territory, which we just gum up the picture of God. We take like Billy Graham in the denominational world today, as we call it, maybe to the football players. He's got the ball. Now, if you try to take the ball away from your own man, you're just messing up your team. Guard your man. See, keep guarding him, keep the rest of him so he can make the run. And we'll have the touchdown after a while, and Jesus will come, and then it'll all be over.
But now the thing for every individual to find is his place in God. What God has called you to do, and then abide in that place. What if the say to me, I try to change my meetings, and like Brother Roberts over here is holding his. Someone come to me and said, Brother Branham, Roberts prays for 500 while you pray for 2. I said, but I am not Brother Roberts. See? Brother Roberts, God tells him what to do. That's between God and Brother Roberts. Brother Roberts is my dear friend. I love Brother Roberts. Before he ever started his meeting service, he sat in the front row like that and walked right behind the platform and talked to me on healing when he's seen it done. His whole little meeting for a man over there in Kansas City. He was along, Brother Bob, what's going to happen? We got a picture the same night standing together. And Brother Roberts can organize his meetings. He knows where he's going to be 2 years from now. His meetings are already set up with all the ministers cooperating and bringing together and sponsoring of his meetings and things like that. And everybody's looking forward to it and planning for 2 years from now. The only thing keeping him from doing it would be tell something that was wrong or either die. I can't set my meetings like that. Mine's a different ministry. I might be here tonight and in the morning God might send me to Battle Creek, Michigan. And the meeting will close in the morning. I can't, that's the reason I don't have paper. I started with that voice of healing one time, and oh my. You see how that went. All right. You can't do it. You can't, and now does that say Brother Robert and the man of God, all of them. I believe everyone that professes to be a Christian is a Christian if he lives the life. And I think Brother Roberts is a good man. I think Brother Tommy Osborne is one of the finest little Christian men I ever met, nearly. Tommy Osborne.